Everyone. A warm good morning to all of you. Today, definitely, my focus or my aspect of discussion is certainly not anything directly connected with civil service examination or with KS examination, but a matter of greater concern for all those people who are giving civil service prelims this year, especially in 2020, since many of them are a bit confused with regard to the timing of the examination. Reason behind this confusion is very simple, that very recently there was a thought process, or we can say there was a general idea that was in the air that the exam may or may not be postponed, and there were many people. Naturally, rumors are always tough, rumors are always aloft with regard to civil service prelims, and many people were thinking both ways around. Some of them telling that the civil service prelims 2020 that is scheduled on 31st May shall be rescheduled, and some people who used to say, or some people who say that certainly such a thing will not happen, UPSC will not ever reschedule its examination, and the exam will definitely be held on 31st May 2020 itself. And now it is the responsibility for we people, especially mentors, to sense how things are changing over a period of time and what would be the probable or the possible outcome of those things that are happening around us. We know very well that we are in a lockdown, definitely, and we are facing a condition which is almost like a crisis. And when we look back, or when we look back as well as when we look to the future, we are pretty unsure that how things are going to turn up. Yesterday, that is on 16th probably, UPSC had issued a statement, or UPSC had issued a clarification with regard to civil service interview that is supposed to happen for the 2019 year. And there was also a mention with regard to the exams in the offing, like engineering service examination as well as with the civil service prelims examination. The statement was like this, that the dates for interview has already been postponed, and once the lockdown is over, maybe around May 4th, it shall be published. With regard to civil service prelims 2020, UPSC issued a statement that currently there is no plan, or currently UPSC is not putting forward any plan to postpone the examination, but depending on how the situation may be evolving, or depending on the evolution of the situation, UPSC may definitely think about rescheduling the examination. Many candidates were a bit confused. Many candidates who were hoping that the exam shall be rescheduled, and they may be getting an even more time. They may be getting an even, what you say, a larger quantity of time to study. Their hopes were belied yesterday, since many of them got slightly depressed, thinking that the exam will be held exactly on 31st May 2020. How can you read between lines of the statement that is issued by UPSC yesterday? It is very simple that UPSC had already stated. UPSC never stated that it has no plans to reschedule. UPSC also never stated that it is going to reschedule the examination. UPSC stated that depending on how things are evolving, a decision will be taken regarding all the offing or the pending examinations. What would be that possible decision? This is the question. We know very well that currently the number of cases, especially lockdown was in light of increasing COVID cases, we already opted for, the Honorable Prime Minister already opted for a lockdown, and all states also followed suit. Naturally, number of cases in the country haven't decreased. The number of cases are increasing like anything, except in few states like Kerala and many northeastern states. Everywhere the number of cases are increasing, and that is why the Honorable Prime Minister had opted for a lockdown of another 19 days, that is 21 plus 19, that is almost 40 days. So we can say that the lockdown may end only on May 4th. Naturally, a decision with regard to the examination will be taken by UPSC only on May 4th, or maybe by May 5th or May 6th, depending on the situation. Again, what would be the possible decision? This is what I am trying to tell candidates, and I am also trying to help candidates to prepare or to gear up themselves for the examination. In light of the current or the emerging situation, we know very well that we are effectively controlling COVID. Definitely, no doubt, we are effectively controlling such a pandemic. At the same time, we are not in a situation to allow any amount of large crowds to come together at any point of time, maybe in April, maybe in May, or even in June. Naturally, what would be the possible outcome or possible decision of UPSC is definitely a matter of question. As I stated before, in such a situation, we can say in such an evolving situation, out of my experience, there are relatively high chances of the exam to be postponed. I repeat, there are relatively high chances. That doesn't mean that the exam will be postponed, but there are relatively high chances that the exam will be postponed. We know very well that if you go for a typical UPSC prelims examination, normally almost 4 lakh to 4 lakh 50,000 or 5 lakh candidates give UPSC prelims examination. In such a situation, if May 31st, that is the prefixed date for examination, is taken, or if May 31st itself is the day on which the exam is to be held, it is going to create a difficult situation, because in every center there may be roughly around 1000 to 1500 or maybe 1500 to 2000 candidates. In some centers there may be big centers, there may be 2500 to 3000 candidates, all of them coming together. There will be frisking obviously for those candidates. Naturally, it may not be an easy situation, it may not be a practically possible situation to handle such a huge crowd, especially when the lockdown came to an end only on May 4th. From May 4th, there is hardly 25 days. So is it, or 26 days probably. So it may not be an easy situation, it may not be a safer situation. So there are every likely chances. I repeat, there are every likely chances that the UPSC may definitely think seriously about rescheduling the examination. In such a situation, if such a rescheduling is happening, naturally, for candidates, they may be very happy since they are getting more time to prepare for prelims. I am also feeling very happy since you are getting more time to give support, to give guidance to the candidates, and also to help them out in such a situation. But what would be our general approach towards this? This is the last point which I am supposed to discuss today. We can't say that this may happen 10%, but there is 99% chances that a rescheduling may happen. And if a rescheduling happens, naturally, candidates should be very careful about one point. The exam would be, if it is rescheduled, it may be scheduled in July end or by the beginning of August. And obviously, once prelims exam comes to an end, the mains examination may come very soon. Or the gap between prelims examination and mains examination will be relatively shallow or will be relatively less. This means the candidate has to prepare for mains examination also parallelly at this point of time. That is actually a warning signal, a warning bell for every candidate, because prelims preparation may not be sufficient in such a stage. You need to gear up your mains preparation also at this point of time. We know very well that the entire mains exam is divided into GS 4 papers plus your optional paper, which is again subdivided into 2 papers. You have an essay paper, then compulsory English and compulsory regional language paper. So it is high time that you should prepare for prelims come mains. And even if you are getting few extra days, imagine the exam is rescheduled, you are getting some extra days. Those days should not be exclusively dedicated for prelims alone, but they need to be dedicated or they need to be allotted for mains come prelims preparation, because once the prelims examination is over, maybe within 25 to 28 days your results may come, which is faster than any other year, and probably within a short span of time mains examination will be held. So your candidate should gear up his preparation for mains examination. Now I am putting the second condition or the second situation. Imagine the exam is not rescheduled. The exam is held on 31st May 2020. Of course, we know very well that since the lockdown is coming to an end on May 4th, it may not be an easy situation for UPSC to conduct such an examination where a large crowd of students are coming to one single center, and in almost every center you are supposed to accommodate maybe 500 to 1000 or 1000 to 2000, or in larger centers 2500 to 3000 people. In such a situation, UPSC need to take extra precaution, special precaution, need to maintain maximum distance between candidates who are writing prelims examination, need to undertake frisking in a very careful manner, regular sanitizations, and of course a larger level of sanitary involvement is required. So all those things has to be completed within a short span of time. And even if it happens on May 31st, definitely you need to prepare yourself at this point of time. Because what happened was that once around March, there was a general idea, there was a general presumptive sensing or idea that the exam may be postponed. So many candidates started taking a lethargic approach. They started becoming lazy. They started becoming less focused, since they thought that the exam may be rescheduled and they may be getting more time to study. But currently, we cannot even predict such a situation. And what candidates should do is that this is considered to be a golden opportunity for all of you. You should prepare hoping that or expecting that the exam will be held as scheduled. I repeat, you should prepare expecting or hoping that the exam will be held as scheduled, that is on 31st of May. Naturally, even if the exam is rescheduled, you are ready for writing the prelims. And you are not waiting for UPSC to take a decision. You should not wait for UPSC to take a decision. You are ready, you are geared up to write prelims on 31st May 2020. Even if UPSC takes a decision to hold the exam on 31st May 2020, you are ready for it. Again, last part of my talk today, last part of my lecture today, that is, there are high chances, I would say, that depending on the existing situation, on the evolving situation in the country, it may not be a safer option currently to hold an examination on 31st May, since the lockdown is coming to an end only on 3rd or 4th of May. Naturally, there are predominantly high chances for the exam to be postponed. And if that happens, of course, you should prepare. That is my first point. You should prepare for both mains and prelims simultaneously. And prelims alone should not be given attention, because once prelims comes to an end, once it is rescheduled, it may be held in July end or August beginning. And once it comes to an end, main shall follow immediately. If it is not rescheduled also, you need to prepare accordingly. You need to be ready. You need to gear up yourself, since at any point of time, you can expect a decision to be taken by UPSC. So I wish all candidates, all people who are listening to me, a definite time, a definite space, and a definite backup to prepare for their examination. And definitely, Naipunya Civil Service Academy is there to assist you. I am there to assist you. You can ask, you can post your doubts, your comments, and clarifications. Let's hope for the best and let us work together so that we are ready by 31st May 2020, even if the exam is rescheduled or even if it is not rescheduled. Thank you.